Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Badmad Robots token. Ticker symbol is METAL. Now this token just recently got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Badmad Robots token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. So on their BSC scan, it says it's listed as METAL token is the name of the token and METAL is the ticker symbol. They have 3,470 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 2,750,000,000 METAL tokens. So this token here, there's a couple different ways to get it. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing January 25th at 7 o'clock UTC time. This token got listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. So all you'd have to do basically to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on Coinex and search METAL, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a Twitter. I'm going to put that on the screen right here. It is at drunk_robots is their Twitter. It says the old drunk robots game account. All the current information is on Mad Robot. Okay, so they have a new one. So if you go to Mad Robot, so this is the actual, I don't know why they listed that one. But yeah, the new one here is, I'm going to put the new one on the screen. Forget about that one. At Badmad Robots is their newest Twitter here. And they have 53,700 Twitter followers, followed by Coinex Global, of course. It says, intense and fun team-based free-to-play multiplayer shooter set in a brutal post-human society. 53 tweets so far, gold verified checkmark, and it has a link to their webpage there, badmadrobots.com. So that's where you're going to find all of the info on this project here. So it says Badmad Robots is an intense and fun team-based free-to-play multiplayer shooter. Fight hard to survive on streets overrun by broken, violent robots in a brutal post-human society. And then it says, apply for playtest. And it says, Windows only, starts in Q2 2024. So you can check that out there, apply for a playtest if you want to. Now at the very bottom of their webpage, they have a contact email in case you need to contact somebody. It says, yo@badmadrobots.com. They also have blog articles that aren't lit up yet. So if you click on that, nothing happens. They have a section for creators that you could check out as well. They have a YouTube channel, probably with some trailers for the game. Discord group you could join, and their Twitter there. And it says, are you a content creator with a passion for gaming, want to be a part of the future of Badmad Robots, or learn more about the world that we create? This is your place to start. Fill out the field down below and introduce yourself, your platform, your interest, and your community. We're looking forward to meeting you. So you could do that if you want to, maybe like they're looking for people to play Badmad Robots on YouTube or Twitch or whatever and promote the game. So you could check that out if you want to. fill out all the forum down below. But yeah, basically it looks like they had an older project called like Drunk Robots, and then now this new one is called Badmad Robots. And maybe the older one was on Polygon, because they talk about, or it was built on Polygon, because they talk about that project on Coinex Global, the original one here. So it says, in Badmad Robots, the user's primary mission is... Okay, so this one is actually about the new one. And then we have some info about the old one as well. So it says, in Badmad Robots, the user's primary mission is to survive and seize control of the city absorbed by intoxicated trash robots. So they're all intoxicated, angry robots, whose sole interests are metal, beer, and violence. So I'm assuming they mean metal as in music, but it's like a play on words because they're metal robots. Collect robots, firearms, and other street junk to enhance the player's street credibility. Participate in drunken competitions and engage in PvP to defeat opponents in a spectacular manner. You can create your own gang, or you could join a different gang. The stronger thugs will rule the city, of course, owning their own small plot of land and farms. Even inebriated robots want to have their own hideout where they can brew some metal to sustain their lives. So I guess the metal is the name of the drink that they are consuming, the brew. And yeah, it seems like a crazy game. So their pinned tweet here, it says, are you ready to show your skills against heartless metal outlaws in a brutal post-human society? Badmad Robots upcoming shooter game. Apply for the playtest now. And then so that's where you go to their webpage. You can apply for the playtest. And they have a 36-second trailer that you could watch in their pinned tweet. Lots of trailers. If you scroll through their Twitter, they have 53 tweets, and almost all of them are trailers of the game. Kind of looks like, first-person shooter, like Fortnite or Call of Duty or something like that, but you're just a robot shooting other robots here. So, Badmad Robots is committed to building an immutable ZK EVM powered by Polygon, by OX Polygon, AAA gaming talent who have worked on your favorite mainstream titles like Black Ops, Dying Light 2, Arma, and they're the ones who are building the Badmad Robots. It's a competitive shooter game, and it's built on the Unreal Engine 5, aiming for public beta launch in Q2 2024. They have set up their team in a creative, fun, and addictive experience for everyone who's playing the game. And yeah, so they have partners with tons of different links here, like Animoca Brands, Merit Circle, Yield Guild, Moonrock Capital, and Shima Capital, and more. Badmad Robots, it's not just the founders' first foray into the gaming industry. They have launched multiple games with done tons of volume, over $30 million plus in volume. So yeah, tons of cool stuff. Go check this out on Coinex Global. You can follow their Twitter here at Badmad Robots. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially if you don't have a Coinex Global account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.